Zephyr, is this Zephyr approved?
Sit. Sit.
Sit.
There you go.
What do you think, Zeph?
Oh, look, she's gonna lay down.
Look, good girl. Look at you. You're a good girl. Look at you. What do you think?
What do you think, Beth?
I think it's giving you the opportunity to get out. Monty, Zephyr,
We've got a surprise for you.
got something for you guys.
Not candy. We got a surprise just for you.
Yeah.
Hopefully you'll like it.
Yeah. I'll start with this box. You can see it says Rad Power Bikes on it.
And no, we did not buy the dogs a bike.
Well, close,
Well, no.
but not quite.
Oh my. It's even got lights or reflectors. Is this supposed to fit any bike?
Yeah, it's go on any bike or behind any bike.
Well, yeah, behind any. Does it have to be a Rad?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. Just there's only requirement is it has to attach where your wheel bolts on in the back, and some bikes use a different type of attachment. Even some Rad bikes use a different type of attachment that prevent these from being attached easily.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna get some things to cut these easier. Is it making sense yet?
Wow, that's a pretty fancy wheel.
Yeah.
I'm sure most of you or all of you can guess what this is. Well, that looks plenty big. That would hold the both of them.
I think it might.
Yeah. Zephyr wants a better view.
She getting excited.
I doubt it.
Actually, it's easy to put together. Just unpack it, put the wheels on it, and you're pretty much done. This part right here goes on the bike.
Oh,
And
okay.
and it just plugs into here, and you put a pin in it, like that. And you just hook this on as a safety. But we're not going to make our dogs ride in that. We got more.
Like they would stay.
Right.
Oh, that's the tray.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this.
We could take our laundry over in that if the dogs don't like it. Be an awful expensive laundry cart.
Right, for our stuff to the beach.
Well, yeah.
For trash.
Where are we going to put all this?
This is going to go, when we travel, the wheels come off, the handlebars fold, the hitch folds underneath, and it goes around the tonneau cover upside down.
Oh, okay.
And that should be fine.
Yeah, you'll tie everything down, of course.
Yeah, strap it all down.
Zephyr's like, what in the world is this? Right, Zeph? It's like, what in the world have we got into?
What we got, Zeph? This is the part you're going to want. We hope.
We hope.
This is actually surprisingly heavier than I thought it would be.
Well, Monty will have to kind of scrunch down.
No, there's room. There'll be room. This is. Let's play that. There's instructions inside. I suppose at some point I gotta read them. What's that? Staplers. Ah, here it is.
Huh?
Here.
Now, yeah, I was going to say, can you undo the top so they can breathe?
It has on 2 layers. So it's screening. Where it can be opened up
And rolled up?
and rolled up.
Oh. What do you think so far, Zeph?
Windshield. And the screen.
How does you fold that up too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Which end? Oh, that. Gotcha.
Yeah, if you come over here, it does have a little bit of a mat.
Mm-hmm.
Or a rug to put in. But you can
Oh, you
just,
could put that in the cart too, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Or the thing. Ah.
brush on the side.
Yeah, I can see Monty. He'll be barking the whole time. He'll probably want to jump out. What's the weight limit supposed to be?
The cart has a weight limit of 100 pounds.
Okay.
And this is, they say this is for up to an 85-pound dog.
Well, between Monty and Zephyr, they weigh 100 to 110 pounds.
Yeah, so they're
Slightly more.
right. I'm assuming that there's some cushioning here. It really depends more on if there's room in here.
Is that another stabilizer?
Yeah. On this side too. But it does seem to be very well built.
Well, for the price of it.
Yeah, well, we got a good deal on it too.
Yeah.
It was on sale.
Yeah. Red power bikes. Well, you want to take it down and...
Yep. Well, we'll stop the video here. We'll get this down and give it. Show you a few things about this setup. It hitches on right here at your back wheel. You take the nut off that holds the back wheel on, and this little hitch attachment part goes right there. And it just slides in, and you use this pin lock it in place. And then this is a safety strap that you just take it and wrap it around the bike's frame a couple of times, like so, and then bring it back to here, clip it, and this just in case this does come off, the trailer will stay with the bike. Some of the nice features on this pet carrier, it has little cargo areas for dog bags or treats or whatever, which you're going to need to get the dog into the carrier.
Maybe.
Maybe. The windows are all mesh. The top opens up so the dog can actually, like Zephyr can actually stick her head out if she wants. It has a safety flag. Little tires, what size are they? Oh, they're Kendra tires, same as the bike. That's nice. I think they're 16-inch tires. So probably like a kid's bike. The back here has a zip up section. There's a couple reflectors on it. There's reflectors on the wheels. As you saw when we pulled this out of the box, this can fold down flat and easy to be stored. Inside there's a little bag, or not bag, what do I call it?
A mat.
A mat. It's not very padded. I think we're look for something a little bit thicker to put in here. But this is nice because you can take this out, you know, get the dog hair off of it. If I tip it over on its side, you can see here on the corners there's 4 thumb screws, and that's what holds the pet carrier onto the trailer. It's pretty rugged, pretty well built. I think it's overbuilt really for a pet carrier, which is good because you can use it for other things. I mean, we're hoping to use this to carry beach stuff to the beach, put the paddleboard in it and take it out to the water, things like that. So I think we're going to get a lot of other uses for it when we're camping. And at some point, I'll show you how I plan on carrying this with the truck when we travel, because our truck is rather full and it's not going to go in the trailer, but I think I got an idea where I can put it, so I'll show you that later. That's pretty much it. Anything I'm missing?
No.
set up with the basket on it. I'm all set to do a trash run to the dumpster. So I got my packing boxes in there. All set, ready to go.